Hello everyone, welcome. So in this video we are going to look at one more counting problem, that is partition. So what kind of problem we are going to address? So basically we are going to count the number of ways that a given set can be partitioned into pieces of a given size. So let's first of all understand this. Let's suppose you have this set with n items and all these items are distinct, and also we have given that we can partition this set into R part, right? And each part of R will contain the ni item. So let's understand this. We have this set with n elements. So what we want to do, we want to part this into R parts, and each part will contain some items. Let's suppose that first part contains n1 item and the second part contains n2 item. How many parts we have to done? We have to do R parts. Let's suppose the rth part contains some nr item, and the partition is done such a way that if you add this n1 plus n2 plus n3 plus till nr, what you will get is the total number of items in the original set, right? So what's the counting problem here? The counting problem is here that if we have a set that contains n distinct item, and if we know that we are going to partition into R parts, and each part contains some number of items, then how many way we can do that? This is the problem that we are going to address. How we can do that? So we can take the similar approach while we have done calculating the binomial coefficient. If you remember from here, what we have done is that we have thought a question in two way, and at the end what we have done, we have compared these two. So we have thought a question and we have done in two way, and at the end we have compared their result, and from there we have found this binomial coefficient. The similar approach we are going to do here also. So if we have this n item, and if I ask you that give me the number of way of ordering these n item, then what will be your answer? It is nothing but the n factorial. Right. Now the same problem can be solved differently. So at the end what we want to do, we want to order the n. Now the second approach to order n sequence, let's suppose we have this n items, right? And we know how many part we can do. We can do the R parts, and each part contains some n1 item and some n2 item and some nr item, and we will have the R part, right? And question, what is the question here? What we want to address, that if we have this set with n element, and if we want to do this R partition, and we know that each partition contains some item, then how many way we can do this? Let's suppose we can do this step C way. We can do C way, right? Now let's first consider this part that has the n1 item. So at the end what we want to do, we want to find that given this n item, how many way we can order this n item. This is what we want to find. One way we have done, that comes out n factorial. We are going through the second approach to find the order of n item. So at the first stage what we have done, we have divided this set into R part and we are saying that we can do this in C ways. Now since we have this n1 item at this first part, what we will do, we will order them and we will put them into the first n1 part of this slot n that will have slot m. And how many way we can order this n1? We can do this by n factorial way, right? So we will order them and we will put in this the first n1 slot of this n. Similarly, we will pick the second part that has the n2 item and we will order them, and how many way we can order them? n2 factorial, right? And we will put them into the next n2 slot of this n. Similar we will do with the each part, and at the RS part we will have some NR item, we will order them and we will put in the remaining R part of this n slot, right? So we can order them here. How many way? n1 factorial way. We can order this n2 factorial way, and we can order this nr factorial way, right? So now if given this process, so we have two stages. The first stage is this one, the second stage is this one. So you can think this as a again sequential process. Again this is a counting problem. So how many way we can order a sequence that have the n elements? That will from here that will be C times the first n times this n1 factorial times this n2 factorial dot 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 till nr factorial, right? And this thing and this thing is the same, right? Because they both are. So basically the question we are addressing two way, and what is the question? That how many way we can order a sequence with the n item, right? So the first way is like this and the second way is this. So both these two quantities are equal. So from here we can say that n factorial is equal to this C times this n1 factorial, and this will be n2 factorial, and this will be times nr factorial. So from here we can find this C, that will come out n factorial divided by n1 factorial into n2 factorial till nr factorial. And if you see, this is nothing but the generalization of the binomial coefficient, and what we call this as a multinomial coefficient, right? So binomial coefficient में क्या था हमारे पास? We were partitioning a set into two, right? जिसमें कि एक तो k elements रहते थे. So in case of binomial, what we have done, we have a given set n, and we are partitioning this set into k items, and जो भी k में नहीं होगा वो किस में होगा? n minus k में होगा, right? So there, if you see, this formula is nothing but the generalization of this binomial coefficient. तो यहाँ पे जो number of partition से हम लोग कितने कर रहे हैं? r is equals to 2, right? Here how many partition we are doing? We have r partition, right? So if you see, if we have r is equals to 2 and the first part contains k items, so here it will be k factorial, and the second part will contain n minus k items, so here we will have n minus k factorial. So if you see, that is nothing but the binomial coefficient, right?